About a couple months ago, I unboxed and reviewed the Realme 10. Now we'll be taking a look at its Pro Big Brother. Hi guys, this is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub, and in this video we'll be checking out the Realme 10 Pro 5G. If you're new to the channel or still haven't subscribed yet, please do. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified when we upload new videos. For full disclosure, Realme Philippines has sent me the device to unbox and review, but that won't affect my opinion of it. I'll review it as honestly as I can. Let's start with what it comes out with out of the box. First, we have a SIM ejector tool. Next is a quick user guide and warranty card. We also have an included clear jelly case. And of course, the Realme 10 Pro 5G itself. Also included is the USB-A to USB-C cable and the charger or power brick. Before we take a closer look at the device, here are its quick specs. You can pause the video if you want. Note that this unit is for reviewers, so variants that will be launched might be slightly different. Now back to the device. It will come in 3 colorways: Hyperspace Gold, Nebula Blue, and Dark Matter, which is what we have right here. The back is a bit sparkly, much like looking at the stars in space. Its texture has a smooth feeling and prevents it from picking up fingerprints, which I personally like. And just like the Realme 10, the 10 Pro 5G also has flatter sides with rounded corners, reminiscent to old iPhone models. It actually feels good to the grip, and I actually grown fond of it while using the Realme 10 for months. On its left side is where we'll find the hybrid SIM card tray, where it supports dual SIM cards or with a microSD card. On the right is the volume and power buttons, which also doubles as a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Up top is what appears to be a mic for video, and at the bottom is an audio jack, mic, USB-C port, and speakers. I'm not sure if this is the same Ultra Boom speakers as the Realme 10, but it also can be turned up to 200% volume. It can fill the entire room, which is perfect for just chilling and listening to music. You won't even need a separate Bluetooth speaker. To complement its speakers is a 6.7-inch FHD Plus LCD boundless display. To be honest, I would have hoped for an AMOLED screen for a Pro device, but I guess this is not so bad. The device is also nearly bezel-less with a 93.76% screen-to-body ratio. This makes it very immersive when watching videos or playing games. Speaking of games, its display has a refresh rate of up to 120Hz and touch sampling rate of 360Hz for smooth gameplay and scrolling. Performance-wise, it's been smooth so far. This is thanks to its Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. It's been seamless on normal everyday tasks, but I do plan on taking it through its paces on the in-depth written review. Gaming seems to be pretty stable as well, at least from just my initial gaming session. Just like any of the Realme number series, the Realme 10 Pro 5G also comes with a few bloatware, but fortunately they can be easily uninstalled. Now I saved the best for last, which is its camera quality. It features a 108MP ProLight camera that captures high-resolution shots. It is also supported by a 2MP depth sensor for great bokeh shots. On the front is a 16MP AI selfie camera that takes ultra-clear selfies. Below are some quick sample shots I took. Now, local pricing for the device was not revealed yet. It will be announced during its Philippine launch at January 14, 2023, so do check it out. And that's it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Realme 10 Pro 5G. In-depth written review will be published over at davaogeekhub.com. Link will be on the description box below when it's up. If you have found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. This has been Joseph. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.